Well, hello everyone. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Pressure Pro Plus FX. Let's get started. Alright, let's open the box. So, we have our antenna. I have 8 tire pressure monitoring sensors for the tires. Power cable, mounting brackets, here's the unit that goes inside the truck. Oops. And your coax. So what you're going to do is you're going to run this from here out and under the truck, closest to the trailer you can get, and then you'll hook up your antenna. We'll do a whole install video here shortly on it. You also have mounting pads. You don't want to drill into your dash, which always is a plus. Your directions. Shows you how to get the app for your phone or your tablet, whatever you're using. And for the app, once you download it, you're going to set up an email ID and a password. Once you log in, it's going to show you how to sync to your system. We will do an install video here shortly on the unit and how to sync it with your phone. Until next time, happy trails.